have a little bit of an issue. She did it, and I love that for her.
It's by this brand. I've never seen it before. Kristen S.
Hey girlies, welcome back. We have a little bit of an issue. So, as many of you all know, uni goes back in a week. No! Really? The other day at work, I was just minding my own business and I got an email from none other than La Trobe University saying, "Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed your break. We are excited to welcome you to semester 2 of developmental psychology." Developmental who now? Who said I was going back? I literally had my last exam on I think it was the 18th. Yeah, it was literally the 18th of June. It's currently the 19th of July. Anyways, currently my room is not that bad. When you look really close, it's pretty bad. So I need to clean that. I'm just reconnecting with nature before I have to tackle that issue. So today we are going to clean the hell out of my room because we need a detox and then we will feel motivated. Get everything ready. What do you think, Eva? Okay, so I think the first step of cleaning a room always starts with dealing with one major issue, and that is this bad boy. All of my dirty washing is already in the washing basket, but I just need to fix that and that. Yep. Psych! They actually go up there. It's in this loot bag. Oh, we got some brownies. Got some brownies. I forgot. I actually brought these last weekend and I was going to make them, but I forgot. So, another thing to distract me. Good. Hell yeah. Okay, so the next thing we have to deal with is this. These were so kindly gifted to me from my work, but they have indeed seen better days. Because some of them are still like really nice, some of them are really showing how they feel about uni going back. That doesn't look 100 times better. See, like, I don't understand how these ones are all still alive, but the other ones aren't, but I'm not a florist, so I got no clue. Clean my room now, so get around it, yay! I am in the process of getting some clean sheets and I will update my bedding later this evening. For now, I think I'm gonna get changed and go see my nan and pop. I just went and saw my nan. She was using like the most random little like fluff ball destroyer 360. It was so funny. I loved it so much. It also took her like 2 days to do one jacket, but you know what? She did it. And I love that for her. Anyways, I am now in Chemist Warehouse. Just got to pick up a few things and then I'm going to go home. The footy is actually currently on, but I think I'll just watch the replay tonight. My favourite leave-in conditioner is the Di Lorenzo one, but I know they don't sell it at Chemist Warehouse. And it's like kind of expensive for how much you get. Look how nicely these shelves are done though. Ooh. I used to be a shelf stacker, so this makes my soul happy. Okay, I think I found the best option that I can, and that's not too bad. I wish it was the Di Lorenzo one, but what can you do? Okay, I'm back. Really weird, there's like no one around. Got the Weightless Shine leave-in conditioner. It's by this brand, I've never seen it before, Kristen S. And to pair with it, I also got the Blow Dry Mist. Which is just a fancy word for heat protectant. And you can use them together because it says on this one can be used with the leave-in conditioner, which is this one. So I'm going to try those tonight. I'm going to wash my hair, put this in, and then I'm going to blow dry it and put this one in. Hey puppies! Hey darlings! Hey! I just got home, so gotta check what the score is on the footy. I'm assuming it's like low-key almost over. I don't know what time it is. Oh no, it's like 3:30. Hawthorn 54, Port Adelaide 42. Pretty close.
Review complete. Looking at this angle, we can see the ball at a touch before crossing the back of the goal line. Decision was
Dude, Gunston almost just kicked goal of the year, but Bailey McDonald just got his first goal in AFL history. Look at him.
He's splitting it out with pace.
What a happy chappy. Hawthorn wins. It was 87-49. Good night, Port Adelaide, and goodbye. One thing about me is I always have to have my nails nice, otherwise I can't function. But the thing is, I used to get my nails done like every month, and let me tell you, that cost me a lot of money and also a lot of time. And something about going to the nail salon just like is low-key, it's low-key stressful. So I decided to learn how to do it myself. I do know how to do SNS, although it takes so much time. So recently I've just been using gel. You can actually I got like this set from Priceline, and it has like the top coat, the base coat. It has like 3 colors, a UV lamp, and this bad boy. Priceline also sell like heaps of different colors. But I've actually recently found you can literally just use the Kmart gel UV nail polishes, and they have so many different colors. These are $6 compared to the Priceline ones are about 11 or 12, I think. Personally, my nails are always red. At the moment they're white because I don't know, I was feeling different, but it's been about 3 weeks and I'm extremely sick of the white and I need to go back to my roots. So we're whipping this baddie out again for tonight, and I'm going to do my nails because I cannot be going back to uni with ugly fugly nails. Thank you very much. so let's do our first impressions. First of all, we're going to use the leave-in conditioner that we got today. Okay, it smells fresh. Like, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells like fresh out of a shower. Okay, now I'm going to spray the blow dry mist, which is like the heat protectant. Okay, that smells different. It's also fresh. Heat protecting up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know how many degrees that is in Celsius, but I think it's a lot. Hey Siri, how many degrees Celsius is 450 degrees Fahrenheit? Whoa, 232 degrees Celsius. Hair is mostly dried. I like to dry it enough that it's like not sopping on my back, and I wash my face with the CeraVe foaming cleanser. I'm gonna use this moisturizer and also this bad boy, the Dermal Therapy Acne Spot Cream. Dermal Therapy, anything injected into my veins, please and thank you. And of course, nothing other than our pore cream, because, and this has been my go-to recently. I just have the big tub, because why not? Tonight is Saturday, which means it's no cook day. So Dad doesn't cook and we just have to fend for ourselves like the little chickens we are. I want to put you on how to cook the most perfect hard-boiled eggs, because personally, I don't know how to cook them in a pot. Anyone that knows me knows that I will take any shortcut to cook. I used to cook eggs in a microwave, right? Yeah, a little bit crazy. As in like scrambled eggs. Your 2 eggs in the air fryer. 6 minutes, 180, hit it. So tonight's activities consist of this. How good does that look? Is this not the most enticing Saturday night you could ever think of? Yeah, so I am going to, that's my hard drive. I'm going to start editing this video and I'm going to watch some Netflix.